Welcome back. In this video, we'll be explaining the workflow of the taxi solution, including all the three deliverables. Let us begin. By looking at the customer app interface, we can see that there is an option for the enter destination, in which you'll be clicking and you'll be looking at the two addresses panel. One would be for the pickup and another one would be for the destination. After that, we'll be adding up the address manually, and further it would be auto-locating the address as well as per the location. Then the user can select between the vehicle type. The type of the vehicle can be managed by the driver on the driver app and is offered as per the availability as well. The amount of each vehicle can be managed by the admin panel. Then the user would be landing on the payment section, in which he or she can easily choose between the PayPal, card or wallet or cash. Moving forward, the user can also apply the promo code and loyalty points if he or she has any. The user can also take advantage of scheduling a ride on future basis just by clicking on a schedule button by setting up a date or a time as well. Then after generating a request for the taxi ride, we'll be going straight towards the driver app. Over here, the driver would be receiving a request to accept and reject the ride as per the convenience. After accepting the ride, the driver would be getting direction to the user's pickup location. One more feature would be like to introduce over here is the cancellation of the ride. Coming back to the workflow, by arriving at the location, he will be clicking on the arrive button, informing the user via real-time notifications. Then a request for OTP verification would be generated, in which the user will offer the OTP number to the driver, and by filling in the OTP number, driver will begin the ride. Over here, the OTP number is 7975. Then further, the driver will get directions for the destination. After reaching at the drop-off location, the driver will complete the ride. But before that, we can over here look at the SOS button, which a user can use in the emergency case scenario, and he can also add up the driver to their preferred list as well. By arriving at the destination, the driver would be completing the ride by clicking on the complete button. Then a review screen would be displayed for both the user and driver to know each other's experience. The driver would be rating the customer experience by giving them a 4 or 5 star and a review feedback form. Similarly, the user can easily rate the driver and can also offer them a tip of 1% or 2% and can also describe their experience as well. Thank you so much. That was the workflow of our Go Rapid taxi solution.